Inside here?
We will buy flowers.
There's
This is the public market, Solano Public.
public market?
Yeah.
Alright.
Gano'n nila kayo naman eh? Pinatay ko yung condolence sa Solano kayo una.
Not really sure where I'm at. Said I'm not really sure where I'm at, but
Solano Public Market.
alright, there you have it. Solano Public Market. So what do you want to do?
I'm looking for flowers. No.
Flowers here? Okay, here's another first for me. Not sure where we're at. All I can tell you is we're somewhere in Solano. What's up?
The flower shop.
All right, let's walk around. All right, like I said, this is a first for me, so I'm just kind of following the leader, and that leader is her. All right, well, we'll pause for a minute while we do flowers. All right, did we get our flowers?
Yep.
Got everything, huh?
Flowers and
Okay, got everything we need. So we're on kind of like the back streets. The back streets going around Solano. We're just gonna kind of do a quick little walk from here to Chowking. Go around the block, I guess.
So you're taking a video?
I am taking a video. Never been to Solano before, so I figure what the heck, right? Let's go ahead and... Been a long time for you, I suppose, huh?
I think 5 years.
5?
Yeah, 5 years. 6 years.
6 years?
Yeah.
Since you've been here? Pretty cool little town. Actually, it's bigger than little. Pretty good sized town.
Commercial center of Nueva Vizcaya.
Okay, so commercial center of Nueva Vizcaya.
Yeah.
Okay. So we got Save More over here. Liza, which is the first time I've heard of that one. What's in there? Just like a big mall?
Yeah.
Shopping center. Chooks to go, of course. Got one down there. And let's go up this street and see what we got. We got people everywhere. Gotta have a Jollibee, right? Solano what? Downtown Solano? It's pretty active.
Every day.
Is this like the central hub where everybody comes to pick up what they need? It's a warm one today.
It is.
Of course, I welcome this kind of weather.
I'm not expecting.
We're on our way to Chowking. We're gonna get some lunch, probably a halo halo, and head back to Bagabag. Figured we'd come out here. We had to come out here to pick up a few things. And I figured why not bring the camera along, see if we can find anything of interest here. Just another busy town, from what I can see so far. What's that, hon? Central Mall? Oh, Centro. Okay. Is it a big one? We are, oh wow, yeah. So it's in there. So we are the best tasting what? Oh. There's your Jollibee. Yep. Now we are out on the main drag. That's coming into town. Up and over that way. And then we got a bunch of guys over here making noise. I don't know if they're trying to get my attention or what. Oh, okay. Greenwich Pizza. Oh, wow. Okay. I didn't know that was there. Well, hell. Huh?
And then there's another restaurant.
Yeah.
McDonald's.
I have yet to do a McDonald's in the Philippines. I'm not going to, actually. I have no desire.
They were good.
Yeah. People ask me, oh, you want to go to McDonald's? Well, no. If I didn't eat them back in the States, why the hell would I eat them here? You know what I mean? I'm not really a McDonald's. When I was a kid, when I was younger, I could do McDonald's all day, but anymore, no, I'd much rather have Burger King, actually. Just preference. Okay, guys, we are going to attempt to cross this busy street. Let's get over to the crosswalk and hope that somebody stops for us. Okay, we were down that way. And there's the Chowking. We are clear on the left, I think. Clear enough, anyways, on the right. And then the town extends down that way. I know there's an intersection way down yonder that we come in. That's the way we came in. That's the way going to Bagabag, and that's the way we just came in from that direction here. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's a bigger town than what you're going to see on this video, but we just don't have the time to take it all in. But kind of give you a basic feel for what this place is all about. Okay, that's it, guys. Until next time, y'all take care. Love you. Be good to each other and stay safe. All right, bye-bye.